It's allegedly gutted. Allegedly.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
So we're over here arriving in Carruthers. We're gonna go ahead and have Max finish up the exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get the cats and everything else taken off. Guys, so we're over here finishing the exhaust. So we have Max under there, doing his thing down there. And we're gonna go ahead and try to get this straight piped. And I wanna hear this thing roar as loud as possible and shoot some flames later down the road. So getting it all ready and done. So this actually just happened last night. I know you guys probably seen the video like probably a week ago, but go check it out. A DUI driver rear-ended a BMW and he ran into me. So the dude was really drunk and I got it all on video, so go ahead and check that out if you haven't. But we're not gonna let that stop us. We're out here making progress.
Look at all these pretty cats. They're so pretty and furry. These are the cats from the Shelby, all purring and everything. Look at our boys over here, all dirty and filthy.
Man.
Oh yeah, we're men. Yeah.
Yeah, Shawn Mendes.
Shelby GT500 owner.
Get over here.
Oh yeah, I want to get blown.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so open it up all the way?
Yeah. Go for it.
I'm not the one to complain about exhaust. Oh, I got it.
Going up, they been staying afloat.
My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together. I'm never gonna turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I'll never be stopping. Everyone asking when a new dropping. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching.
He said that basically without that, it gives it like a dirty air thing.
If you're running like riffs like you are, or lean, yeah. Where's Penny to beef?
Woo!
You see it?
Oh, that's so cool looking it through here, but also I saw it through my outside of my eyes.
So looking at it in a camera won't hurt your eyes.
No, or else a video on it would blind you, and YouTube would get sued.
Guys, do you know how many welding videos there are? Like a lot.
Max the welder over here getting down. Gutted cats.
So the time lapse down here and see how that comes out.
What? Like what?
I can tell you got some practice.
The other way.
This way? This what you want, babe?
That's exactly what I want.
Taking break time right here.
Yep.
Been at it for a while. Good old fashioned American dad. With the cats just chilling. Finally welding on the cat back. What is it? Gutted cat?
The gutted cat.
It's allegedly gutted. Allegedly. Small man because it leaked out. I mean, I guess. Babe, cover your ears, babe. It's gonna be loud. Okay. Ooh. Oh, shit. Oh, woo. Yeah, that's a flamethrower.
Get ready to crank it.
Alright.
We're gonna run catless. Well, gutted cats to the mid pipe. We have yet to put on the axle backs and the new Jake Delete exhaust. So this will be interesting.